Hi, and welcome to Financial ChitChat. My name's Jerry Hill and I am your host. Today I want to talk about rental car insurance, something that a lot of people do not choose when they buy an auto policy. And I think they don't choose it because nobody wants to think about the fact that they're actually going to need it one day. But I can tell you, after recently having gone through an accident, that what happens is once you're in that accident and your car is towed away, there is a period of time where you were without your car. And the only thing that's going to cover that rental car for the cost of renting it is if you have insurance for rental car insurance on your auto policy, or if you're just going to pay it straight out of your pocket. I can tell you that my rental car down in my neck of the woods in Southern California was kind of expensive. It was just under $40 a day. And that was not for some luxury car. That was for just a normal, I think it was like a normal Toyota four-door type car. But nonetheless, that's expensive. And I can tell you that when it comes to getting parts for your car and having the body shop repair your car and paint your car and wait on those parts, it's taking, in my area, it's generally taking about 2 months to get your car back. And so I can tell you that's quite expensive. If you take that $40, in round numbers, $40 a day for my rental car, and you're multiplying it by 30 days of waiting, you can understand that it's going to get expensive in a hurry. And in my case, 2 months is what it took. I know that like during the pandemic, it was taking people like 3 and 4 months to actually get the parts, because a lot of the parts were coming from Japan and Germany and China, and it was just taking forever because everything was slowed down. And so the cost of that rental car insurance on your auto policy, pretty inexpensive, but yet at the end of the day, it is kind of overlooked by a lot of people, because it isn't very expensive, but it is very necessary if you're in an accident and it's your fault and you need to get a rental car. So again, definitely get that coverage on your auto policy. And also know this, if you go to rent like a truck because you're moving, so you go rent a U-Haul truck, understand that most auto policies, in fact, I've never seen one auto policy that covered a U-Haul truck. Even though we can drive them with the normal driver's license, they're not covered on our auto policies. So when you go to get that rental truck, make sure you buy the insurance from U-Haul or from Hertz or wherever you're going to rent that truck. Maybe you're moving a child into a dorm room, or your child's moving out, going into an apartment, or what have you. Make sure you get that rental insurance. It's super important when you're renting that truck as well. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful as well, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.